Hi guys, this is our room sa Azalea Hotel. It's the room tour. Saan na? Light, ay, do not disturb. This is the kitchen, hindi. Basta lamesa. And this is the dapat inayos na ito. Tapos nasa loob yung lutuan at rice cooker. This is the sink. Ito yung ano ba ito binubuksan? Ay, ano?
Yan yung extra.
Baka kailangan pa ng gasto.
Yeah.
Ay, ayun. Ito pala.
No, that's your bamba.
Okay. Ay, merong kape. Magkakape ako. Ito, paano gumagana to? Ay, ayun. Eh, pwede magluto tayo ng ano dito. Tuyo, kasi malakas yung blower. Ito yung master bedroom. With CR. Bonggang CR na may heater. This is the This is the sofa bed with TV, and this is Prime. Is this Bam Bam? This is Prime's Bam Bam, or this is Prime's Tummy? No, no. And then punta tayo sa second. Ito pala yung rep. Mamaya puno na to. This is the second room. Mga room ng mga lovers. Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hi, vlog.
Anong hi vlog? Ano, hindi nakita yung channel to?
Nakita kaya lang eh.
Ayaw lumas.
Pero kanina napindot ko ah.
Lumakas kaya lang.
This is the second twin room with Cheche. My wife is busy. Walang veranda dito, dalawang room lang. Tapos, ito yung CR sa labas. Ito. Ito, toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Tapos maraming tuwalya. Yun lang. See you on my next vlog. Where is Prime? I can't see him. Or is this head? Is the head of Prime? No! What? Ito, may pa-welcome pa. Azalea. Bye.